What does your day-to-day role like now as a lead? How different is it from as an individual contributor?
I think individual contributor is like a cakewalk. Like you will be given a task, you just have to focus on the task, make sure you get it right. Quality is great, all the test cases are passing, like everything end to end. You should just be done with it and done. Like you can just hand it over and go on. But as a lead, it's different because you are working with a group of colleagues. You are responsible for mentoring them, guiding them, making sure there are no blockers, making sure you're prioritizing well along with the PM, making sure it aligns with the business needs. Also manage the tech debt backlog, so it's a combination of multiple things. It is also very interesting, but it also has a managerial aspect to it where you manage the people and make sure everybody in the team is happy and all that. At the same time, delivering output.
You should always take care of your colleagues or your
Yeah,
juniors.
correct. I think if everybody in the team is happy, you will automatically get the output. You just have to make sure everybody is happy.
Okay, looking back, what helped you grow from developer to team lead? Was it something you consciously worked toward?
Yeah, I mean, it did not happen overnight. I think it happened over the few years. I think what helped me early on is my managers had the trust on me to like give me responsibilities, and they did not micromanage or they did not do anything. They just trusted me to do the work end to end. So like from the problem solving phase until the implementation is done, until the deployment is done, everything was on me. Like they did not like micromanage. So that gave me that confidence early on that I could do something like this when I grow into that role. So when I transitioned into a tech lead role, of course, it was a bit easier because I knew that I could do it, and plus also it was the manager support and the other team member support and all that. I think
Yeah,
what I would say is just be very proactive and very responsible. Understand that you're 100% responsible for the work you're doing. So like nobody, you should not wait for somebody to come and ask you for something. You should always be proactive, telling them deadlines, like telling them where you are in any implementation journey, etc., etc. So I think if you're a self starter, you're started for this role.
I think it's always that how your seniors are supporting you.
Correct.
It really helps you grow in your career path.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, in addition to that, I want to ask what challenges did you face in the transition to leadership, and what skills did you have to learn that were not technical?
I think it's communication and collaboration is like one of the most common things we have. Like as an individual contributor, you're like focused on your work. You just do, you're in a cocoon, do the work and go on. But team lead is not like you have to inform the stakeholders on any blockers or any delays, or and if you're deploying something, or if you're releasing something, you also have to inform the stakeholders, make sure they're all aligned on the new process and all that. So communication also within the team, make sure everything is communicated properly, like blockers are communicated properly. So all that, I think communication is a major skill outside of like technical stuff that I've had to learn and practice to like make sure this role is smooth enough.
Right, that's right. I think what would you say to a developer who's thinking about moving into leadership or lead role someday?
I would say do not rush, like do not always think about the career ladder. It will come like when the time is right. Just keep putting in your efforts, like day to day. Measure yourself, check if you're like improving on a day to day basis, whether the job you're doing today was better than the job that you were doing 3 months back. Has your quality of work improved? Are you using the new tools, new AI to evolve yourself? How are you progressing in your career? Just keep a watch on yourself and leave the rest to everybody. I mean, leave the rest to the company or whoever. It'll happen when the time happens. Do not be in a rush or do not get demotivated thinking, oh, I am still a lead. I was still a lead like 10 years back, but you're a better lead now. So
Right.
there is always a growth in yourself. So just focus on the growth.
Yeah, I absolutely agree with you, Surya. I think you are on the right path. You are doing everything in your capacity and capability to, grow your team and to like guide them into a right path.
Thanks.
Okay.